Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This time we're cleaning the throttle body on my 2008 Ford Territory. These are the tools you need. So throttle body cleaner spray, I just got a cheap one from Super Cheap Auto. Ratchet with 10mm socket, your time and energy of course, and a brick or a extra human or a person to help you out. I'll let you know what I mean when we come to it. Okay, so let's get into it. First of all, what we need to do is, here is the cleaner that I used. I think it was like $7 from Super Cheap. So you can't use anything else. You've got to use throttle body or carburetor cleaner. I've got the NBA finals on as well, guys, just so you know. That's on in the background. Got to have that. So in order to clean the throttle body, you need to take the intake tubing, I think it's what it's called. I'm not 100% sure, but that little plastic tube needs to come off. So these are 10mm bolts. Just using the socket to take them off. There's only two of them. Yeah, as I was saying, guys, you shouldn't be spraying anything else. I was thinking of going WD-40, but don't do anything else but throttle body cleaner. I think it's specially built so it doesn't damage anything down there. So because you're going to be spraying it directly into the intake or throttle body. So once you've got the bolts off, just pull the plumbing or piping off and just rest it up against and out of the way there as I've got it. There's your throttle body there. So initially I was a bit worried about spraying this stuff directly down there, but I spoke to my mechanic and he says just spray it, open the little flap and just spray it all the way in. Initially I tried wiping the front of it up a little bit. And this is where the brick comes in handy. I don't have anyone else that I can help me at the moment. So what you've got to do is you've got to put the key in and turn it on into where I guess the lights come on, auxiliary lights or whatever you want to call them, and then push the accelerator down. That with the brick, well, I'm using a brick anyway, I don't have anyone else. So just get that to stay down, and that opens up the flap on the throttle body. I'll show you what I mean. There it is now. It's open. So now you can just grab the spray and spray straight down there, like so. Okay, like that. Directly down. It feels a bit weird to do, but that's apparently what it does. What it does when you put it all back together is it just sucks it all down through the exhaust and comes out at the exhaust, and I'll show you at the end as well. So I'm just giving it a spray at different angles here. Like I was saying before, I did clean the front of the throttle body, which just sprayed a towel, clean towel, and wiped some of the dirt off, and I'll show you that later as well. So I've just taken the keys out now and put it all back together. So put the piping or intake plumbing back on, not sure what you call it, like I said before. It just pulls back on, I should say, it just pulls off. And you can put this little rubber hose back on, I think bottom first, and then the top bit is the easiest. It's like a little breather hose or something. And just make sure everything is firmly on. Put the bolts back on. Watch the NBA. Watch the NBA. Just making sure you don't drop anything. Knock on wood. Don't want to lose his bolts, although probably common. Hey, just doing a video. Why? Hang on. Just doing a final clean on the car. Okay guys, so just make sure all the bolts are in. This is where we start it up now. You'll see smoke come out of the exhaust. It does take a bit to start up, that's normal. Eventually does. And
is that it?
That's where all the dirt and muck and build up comes out. Okay, there it is. And then it starts to run smooth again after that.
Okay, thank you.
Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thumbs up, subscribe please, helps me, motivates me with videos.